you can download YouTube playlist on your laptop within some steps. So what you need to do is open YouTube on your browser, and then here you can see plenty of shows and videos on your home screen. So to download your playlist, what you need to do is, first of all, let's go to our playlist. And when we go to our playlist, here you can see when you tap on the three dot, you get the option of downloading the video singular. But when you tap on the three dot at the playlist, you don't really have the option of downloading it as a whole playlist. So what you can do is go to your library, and here you can see the download option. When you tap on the download option, both of the videos on your playlist gets downloaded at the same time, and in this way you can download your whole playlist at the same time on your laptop.